Just remember, the female is supposedly the one that shot. We're not for sure of that.
There's a kid upstairs. It's not kid upstairs, little kid. What the?
What just happened?
What's going on?
Oh, hey. Are we good, Chris?
Yes. All right, we're moving up.
I got you sliding glass.
Ah, fuck. You're hanging low. Door open, door open.
Y'all move up from there. I got this thing from there.
Is that glass open or do we need to?
It's broken.
Hang on, we got the door open.
Hey, front door door's open.
Right.
I got it. I'll plate it. I'll plate it.
I got front.
Plate me here. I'll plate you, Mark.
One on me. Give him one.
Ricky in, Ricky in.
He's out.
Hey, she's down at the end of the hall.
Okay.
She is down at the end of the hall.
Do you want to hold the door then, Sarge, or what?
You want to take it? Or you want to work Ricky?
Yeah, we're gonna let's take it. Let's work.
Hey,
Chris, you got this?
hey, we're taking it. We're taking it. She's down.
Squeeze up.
Give it to me.
Oh, watch that.
I got her.
To the right.
I got her. I'm stepping over in front of you, Zoo.
Hey, watch the kitchen. Watch the kitchen.
I got the kitchen. It's clear. All right. Nice and slow here, guys.
All right, move that wall. Move that wall, Bobby.
Scott's controlling Ricky.
No, come up to here so you can get a cross coverage on the.
I got you.
I got her.
You want to bang?
Got this little
Scott,
closet
we're
right here.
Hallway if you want to keep working Ricky.
Hey, if you could reach around and grab that little. There you go. There you go. Can't see. Close.
You want to bang?
No, no bang.
And I
Let's
don't
do
know-
this.
Toilet paper and stuff.
2 right, I'm plating. Or 2 left, I'm plating. Sorry.
Short. Clear.
One on me.
Yeah, you got 2 doors open to your right.
Cover.
That space moving.
Cover.
Cover her. Cover her.
Hold on, Sarge. Give me another body.
I'm here.
Left side
We're
clear.
gonna stay here. Go with Sarge and clear that
You good?
room
Yeah.
to the right.
One on me. After y'all
It's
done.
underneath the bed.
Hold on.
I got her.
One on me.
I'm here.
I got him.
Fighting this door too.
Hang on.
Hey, Mark. Can you cover her?
Hang on a second. Baker, out of that room.
I'm good right now. I'm good.
Cover from the other side. We got a bathroom that sucks back.
Hold on, Mike. All right.
Closet immediately left.
You got 2 closets that folding doors. To your left and an open bathroom. Looks to be mostly clear. I'm out. I'm behind you.
That little closet right by me is clear too.
All I can see is clear. Hogan.
Yep.
Clear.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's get this bed real quick. Let's get this. Let's look under our bed real quick.
Hang on, let's check the bed.
Go ahead.
Have them pop that door. Is anybody right there to your left?
No. I'll come to it.
No.
We didn't get in there.
We still gotta check the bed.
Check her. We gotta check her. Check her. Make sure she's good.
Hey,
want
lift
the-
the bed up. I'm gonna go this way
You want
with my
Tim's in
pistol.
here?
Or right.
Yeah. Go ahead and get EMS in here.
Clear.
You're gonna roll her over.
Joe. There you go, buddy.
Check her pulse.
Ma'am, can you hear us? Louisville Metro Police Department.
Check that wrist, dude. Check the wrist.
Let it go.
up.
Medic up!
Hey, let's see if we can get some lights on for him.
Yep.
There's a hallway light. See if that
Hey.
comes on.
I'm not feeling
Let's do this. He needs room to work. Everybody else clear the hell out. Go out the boat door, please. Let Joel, let Zumach, everybody else, let's go. At least into the living room.
I can't get out.
Yeah, I can. Zumach, let them out real quick. So you can get out.
Joe, will you step back so I can get out?
Check the casings.
Drywall. Hey, watch out. Hey, guys, just watch out for this casing right here.
There's also slug and casings in here.
Help on here.
Huh?
Casing there. Slug there. Casings here.
What is it? What's this address? Yes. Yeah.
Hey, don't turn your cameras off.
What's the address here?
Hey,
3003 Springfield, apartment 3.
hey.
Apartment
This is now a crime scene. Let's go ahead and move out. All right, she's done. We'll keep one person here on her, and she's done.
I'll stay right here.
I say keep 2.
Okay, I'll stay in here with others.
Hey, let's work on getting a Ricky back to the other street, please. If they need to, they can take my truck.
Do they need a Ricky?
They need a double check with Billy.
Hogan to Billy. Pearson.
Stay inside for me.
Do you all need Ricky back at your location? 10-4, let me know. We can have it sent back to you. It'll be a minute, but we'll get it back to you.
Hey, Sarge. I'm cutting off.
Ten four. Ten four, Hogan to Massey.
Hey, he's on the phone. He's on the phone right now.
I hear you. I hear you.
Oh, sorry.
You're screaming like I'm. I was gonna say, hey man,
Hey, Sarge, watch your footing. There's shell casings over there.
seems secure. She's 1080. We're leaving a couple people in here to hold the scene. It's secure for detectives to come up. So I think it's casings right there.
Sorry.
Right there. Your all's casings and their casings. So,
Oh, that's their gun. Right here.
yeah, and right there.
That's theirs.
No, that's ours. It looks like theirs is in there. But I'd back out until they get PIU in here. So.
I just didn't know if there were any guns visible.
We did not see any.
Like the long gun. Is there any windows that go out that way?
The only casings look like 9 mils. Or,
He said she was shooting. The suspect said that his girlfriend was shooting the ass with a 9mm.
Hey, this room right here, there's a pistol underneath the bed.
I'm not worried about that right now.
No, I know.
You know what I mean?
So let him get out of here.
It's a crime scene.
I said let him get out of here.
We have to be mindful what we say. We're on camera now, so.
What's that?
But I know y'all are good on it, but we have to be mindful what we say.
You feel the shell casings everywhere up there?
There's a bunch in the hallway and several on the inside.
Yeah, watch.
One side at the top. They're all home.
Hey, if y'all are good, I'm gonna pull out to here to make sure nobody else comes in here. I don't want to step on casings either, so I'll be out here to you.
Guys in the back. Guys in the back are saying they saw a white male hand through the backside. After the black male got extracted.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it could be two. Yeah.
Because this only goes.
There's nobody else in there. Her.
It only goes out the kitchen and the dining room.
You care if I go in there and look just to check off injuries? I'm not gonna touch that.
Yeah, just don't step on casings. They're everywhere. I'm still hot.
You can go off.
I was hot because of that. I forgot. I'm just like.